Hello everyone and welcome to the part 3 of overview of AWS services. So first one, media services part 1. Amazon Elastic Transcoder, media transcoding in the cloud. Amazon Interactive Video Service, a managed live streaming solution. Amazon Nimble Studio provides tools and resources for artists to produce visual effects, animation and interactive content. AWS Elemental Appliances and Softwares offers software-defined video solutions for content production, storage, and distribution. AWS and Elemental Media Connect, secure and reliable live video transport. Media Services Part 2. AWS Elemental Media converts video formats for playback on various devices. AWS Elemental Media live video processing service. AWS Elemental Media Package, video packaging and origination service. AWS Elemental Media Store, media storage and simple HTTP origin service. AWS Elemental Media Tailor personalizes and monetizes video content with targeted advertising. Migration and transfer services part 1. AWS Application Discovery Service helps enterprise customers plan migration projects by gathering information about their on-premises data centers. AWS Application Migration Service simplifies the migration of applications to AWS. AWS Data Migration Service migrates database to AWS easily and securely. AWS Mainframe Modernization facilitates the modernization and operation of mainframe workloads on AWS. Migration and Transfer Services Part 2. AWS Migration Hub provides a single location to track the progress of application migrations across multiple AWS and partner solutions. AWS Snow Family, a suite of physical devices to transfer large volumes of data into and out of AWS. AWS Data Sync automates moving data between on-premises storage and AWS. AWS Transfer Family provides fully managed support for file transfers directly into and out of Amazon S3. Quantum Technologies, Amazon Bracket, a fully managed quantum computing service that helps researchers and developers begin experimenting with computers from quantum hardware providers. Robotic Services, AWS RoboMaker provides a development environment for robotics applications. Satellite Services, AWS Ground Station, a fully managed service that lets you control satellite communications, process data, and scale your operations without having to worry about building or managing ground station infrastructure. Security, Identity, and Compliance Services Part 1. Amazon Cognito provides user identity and data synchronization to build secure and scalable applications. Amazon Detective makes it easy to analyze, investigate, and quickly identify the root cause of potential security issues or suspicious activities. Amazon GuardDuty offers threat detection and continuously monitors for malicious or unauthorized behavior. Amazon Inspector, automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. Amazon Macy uses machine learning to automatically discover, classify, and protect sensitive data in AWS. Amazon Security Lake. Amazon Security Lake is a managed service for centralizing security data from various sources into a dedicated data lake in your AWS account. Security, Identity, and Compliance Services Part 2. Amazon Verified Permissions. Amazon Verified Permissions is a service that facilitates scalable and detailed permissions management for custom applications, enhancing security and development speed by centralizing policy administration using the CKAD policy language. AWS Artifact provides on-demand access to AWS security and compliance reports and select online agreements. AWS Audit Manager helps you continuously audit your AWS usage to simplify how you assess risk and compliance. AWS Certificate Manager manages SSL TLS certificates for your AWS-based websites and applications. AWS Cloud HSM offers hardware security modules in the cloud. AWS Directory Service makes it easy to set up and run directories in the cloud. Security, Identity and Compliance Services Part 3. AWS Firewall Manager centralizes the management of firewall rules across your accounts and applications. AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. AWS Key Management Service (KMS) makes it easy to create and manage cryptographic keys and control their use across a wide range of AWS services and in your applications. AWS Network Firewall provides high availability, scalable network firewall for your VPCs. AWS Resource Access Manager allows you to share AWS resources between AWS accounts. AWS Secrets Manager protects access to your application, services and IT resources without the upfront investment and on-premises infrastructure cost. Security, Identity and Compliance Services Part 4. AWS Security Hub gives you a comprehensive view of your high-priority security alerts and compliance status across AWS accounts. AWS Shield provides managed DDoS protection. AWS IAM Identity Center, formerly known as AWS Single Sign-On, centralizes and manages access to multiple AWS accounts and business applications. AWS WAF, Web Application Firewall, protects web application from common web exploits. AWS WAF CAPTCHA. AWS WAF CAPTCHA helps block unwanted bot traffic by requiring users to successfully complete challenges before their web requests are allowed to reach AWS WAF protected resources. And that's all. Thanks for watching.